Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Liberty Garden stainless steel hose hanger. So I purchased this because I was looking for a very basic hose hanger. For this application I didn't need a hose reel or anything fancy, so that's why I chose this specific hanger. Let's pull this out. So this is made of stainless steel here. Let me widen this a little bit. There we go. So I like when this is on the house, if I'm running past it with a mower or something, I'm not going to snag on this as easy as if it had sharp edges and such. Now this shows two models here. It shows the 680 and 681, and here's the pictures. So this is the 681, and it lists some capacities. I'll pull this up so you can read it. So you can see the capacities here for the different hose sizes. Now the 680 has a higher capacity, but I'll be putting a 50-foot hose on, so I don't need something that'll hold as much. So the smaller one's going to easily fit my needs. And here's some more specs on the hanger. So this looks like it's going to be a high quality hanger. Let me get the hardware off here. So this comes with these two lag screws and two plastic anchors. And it does say includes mounting hardware will not rust. So I'm guessing these are coated or they're stainless and painted. So those will go in there. Now I think this would look better with like a stainless screw of some sort. I don't think that's the absolute best look, but that's what it comes with. So I'll probably use this hardware to start, but maybe years down the road I might swap it out for something different. So I'll be installing this on my brick house. I'll have to drill some holes to install the anchors. So let's head outside and take a look where I'm going to install this. Okay, so I'm out here at the corner of my house, and this is where a previous hose hanger was mounted. So I think I can reuse one of these holes here. So maybe I'll mount it like that. This is a smaller hole, so maybe I'll use the larger hole as the bottom, and I'll put the other hole up a little bit higher. So this anchor doesn't quite fit. I could maybe hammer it in there, but I'm going to re-drill that hole. Then I'll mount the hanger to that, and then I'll mark for the top hole and I'll drill it. Okay, so I have my rotary hammer here. I have a 7/16 inch drill bit in it, masonry bit, and I'm going to drill these holes out. So now I'll insert the anchor. I don't think I need to put it in all the way to line this up. So I'm going to try and level and mark it. It's going to be hard to drill exactly on the point I mark, so I'll just do the best I can. Okay, I marked where I need to drill. It's on a sloped part of the mortar, so I'm going to take a punch and try and punch this, but chances are it's going to go to the right just a little bit. Actually, I think I got a pretty good divot going there. Let's see if I can drill into it. I'm going to pre-drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit so I can try and stay on my mark there. Okay, so I have the two anchors installed. Now I can bolt it down. I'm using a 1/2 inch socket. Okay, so I almost have it tightened down. I am going to throw the level on here, although it doesn't need to be perfect, but I might be able to tweak it just a little bit. Now when I tighten these down, I don't want to tighten them too tight. I could easily strip out the plastic anchors, so I'm just going to snug them up and then they should hold tight. So it's not perfectly level, but it's level enough for a hose hanger. Now the socket did touch the back here and it did seem to kind of scratch it just a little bit, but this is meant to be used. It's not a work of art. So let me get the hose and hang it on here. So there we go, that fits on there nicely. You can see there's a ton of room. We could put a way bigger hose on here, but I really like this stainless steel hose. Now this hose was provided to me by the distributor of the hose. So that's the Liberty Garden stainless steel hose hanger. If you're looking for a basic hose hanger, I think this is a great option. It has a nice clean look, smooth edges. It doesn't have a crank on it. It doesn't have a place to put your hose nozzle. It's just a hook to hang a hose on. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.